injunction, it is a temporary remedy, okay, and it was like created by English court. That is the history of this particular Mariva injunction. It was like in the case like Mariva Componia and International Bulk Carriers. So, in that case, this particular 1980 case, this Mariva injunction came. That is like this particular order is like a related, that precedent is this particular, okay. Now, this order, if you see, this is like when it is passed actually. So, what happens that suppose you have filed a case against the particular infringer, right. So, what are the chances in that particular situation that the defendant probably will try to dispose of or remove assets from that jurisdiction. Just try to understand. So, what will happen, suppose you have a filed case against, it is suppose a patent case is there, and you are claiming X amount and you want to kind of take a remedy. Your remedy expectation is that you will like take back that compensation from that particular defendant. That is your final aim.